In this video, we will discuss how to open, copy, and paste in Microsoft Word. Word will let you type information, add pictures, and type letters. In this video, you will learn two commands in Word, copy and paste, and how to move around and change how your words look. First, open Word from the bottom of the screen here, or from the white window in the corner here. Left click. You will see a W with a blue background and a white W. Single click on the W. This will bring you to the opening page for Microsoft Word. Single click left. You now have a new Word document to type on. You will see the line where you can begin to type. This is the first line. You do not have to click when you begin to type in Word. Type the first sentence. I like food. I am going to put a keyboard onto the page so that you can see the information that we are going to be using from the keyboard. Here is the keyboard that you also have. To learn how to copy, we are going to take our mouse, click at the end of the word, our sentence, the word food, and come down here and look at our keyboard. You will see on the keyboard two important buttons. One, here is the Shift button. You have one on the right and one here on the left, and also CTRL, Control button. You used this button to open the computer when you started today. Those are two important buttons. We're going to call them the Shift button right here and the Control button right here. So let's learn to copy. Go back up to I like food. Left click at the end. Use your finger on the Shift button right here, not your mouse. We're going to take our finger and hold the Shift button. Then we're going to come over here and look at our arrow buttons. We're going to use our right hand, not the mouse, our right hand on the arrow buttons. So I'm going to click on the button right here with my finger, and that will highlight the sentence. In that way, I will be able to copy the sentence. These are the keys that I will be using. The arrow going to the left, the arrow going to the right, the arrow going up, and the arrow going down. That will allow me to highlight information. So here I have it highlighted, and I'm going to go back down to my CTRL button here that I said was so important, and use my finger to press and hold CTRL And then I'm going to press this letter C, which I will find right here on my keyboard. So there's C on my keyboard. Press C. That puts the information into the computer that I want to copy. Now I want to put that information on the page. I go to my Enter button, another important key on your keyboard. Right here is the Enter button. I'm going to press the Enter button with my finger, not my mouse, and as you see, the cursor will go to the next line. Now I want to paste the information. I want this sentence to be here. So I'm going to go back to CTRL, right down here with my finger. I'm going to press and hold, don't let go, and go to the letter V right here. V, not B, the letter V. And I'm going to press V. And as you see, I have another sentence. I like food. And I can do it again, and I will have more of those I like food sentences, as many times as I like. Now let's learn more things about Microsoft Word. This top portion is called the ribbon. And up here we have tabs. Each tab has a different ribbon and gives you more information. But we're going to stay on the Home tab right here, the Home tab. So I'm going to put my cursor, I'm going to left click at the beginning of the word food again on this sentence. I'm going to take my finger, hold the Shift button down here, hold, don't let go, go over to my arrows, and I'm going to push with my right hand the arrow and highlight I like food. Now I want to change the size. So this says 11. That's too small. I'm going to make it nice and big. So let's make it 36. And I want to make it I want it to look different. Let's make it very bold. So I can change the font, how it looks, and the pixel, the size, with these two. Now I want to change the color. I come to this letter with a color, click on the little arrow, and I will make it red. And left click so I can see it. So we can do that with all of our different lines. I can click at the end again, go down to my Shift button right here, click Shift, go to my arrows, use my hand and press my arrow key. And then let's see, I'll go to my arrow here and I'll find something fancy and make it big. And let's change that color too to something like a pretty blue. So that's how you can change colors and information and how you can copy and paste in Microsoft Word. Now you try it. remember, click, take your mouse, click, left click at the end so that it's blinking. Shift down here with your hand. Use your other hand. You must hold down the shift button. Use your other hand to use your arrows. And come here and you can do size, or you can do color, or you can do font, whatever you like. So why don't you try that also? This is the end of this video on Microsoft Word. For copy, paste, font, size of letters, and color.